Guys, I'm standing outside an electric motor factory. Today we're going inside to see how motors are actually made.
Just given me safety gear. This place is huge and very loud.
This machine is cutting thin steel laminations. These will form the stator and rotor. The laminations are stacked together to reduce energy loss inside the motor. Steel sheets will be used to make the motor core. Everything starts right here. In the factory, this is the very first step before we shape anything else. Now this stator core just loosen tightly so it becomes solid and strong. Electrical short circuit.
This is high purity copper wire. It's critical for motor efficiency. In factory electric motors, this is what keeps the power losses low. Every strand here makes a difference.
Oh, look at this machine. It's winding copper wire around the stator automatically. Each turn has to be perfect. Even a small mistake can ruin the motor. Workers are inspecting the windings to make sure. This improves insulation and durability. After varnishing, it goes into this oven to dry completely. The motor is balanced, so the motor doesn't vibrate during operation. In the factory's electric motor section, that's what keeps everything running smooth. The rotor shaft, it needs extreme precision. The motor body protects all internal components. Bearings reduce friction and allow smooth rotation. Seat and circles on motor shaft. Bearings reduce friction and allow smooth rotation. This is where power will be connected to the motor. Every bolt is tightened to exact torque values. Plate shows power rating, voltage and serial number. For branding, we engrave the company logo right up here on top. It's fitted straight onto the motor body so anyone inspecting knows exactly what they're working with. Clear specs, clear identity. Wow, this is under load test to check power and efficiency. No abnormal noise.
We're measuring shaft length and body size to make sure everything matches the design.
This test checks if the motor vibrates during operation. They measure how much noise the motor produces while running. This checks how hot the motor gets during long operation. Here they calculate efficiency and power consumption. These motors run for hours to check long-term reliability. Once approved, each motor gets a unique identification label. This label helps with tracking and warranty. Every electric motor that leaves the station gets one. They clean dust and oil before final packing. Covers and guards are added here. This is the accessory fitting table for the motor. A thin oil layer protects the motor from rust. Out here in the packing area right now, and it's all the essentials behind me. Foam rolls, stacks of cartons, everything ready to go. Foam and cartons are prepared based on motor size. Each electric motor gets its own custom fit, so motor is carefully placed inside the box. Boxes are sealed to protect during transport.
Check station right now. This is where every pack box stops before it heads out. Each box is weighed to confirm contents. You can see this one coming in at 23.84 kilos, right on spec. The number tells us everything inside is
This barcode updates the warehouse system.
Orders are scheduled based on customer demand. As soon as an order is confirmed, it drops into this board, fills an open slot, and the system assigns a driver and dock. That way, trucks leave on time and full.
Finished motors are stored here before dispatch.
These motors are now ready to ship.
Motors are packed specially for export.
Documents are prepared here. Plastic wrapping protects during long travel.
They verify quantity before dispatch. Last pallet checked, the count matches the order.
Shipment is on its way in factory electric motor.